we have a brand new feature which we're pretty excited to release in the middle of 2018 called the ProgressTracker report. So two ways to get into this. The first way is through the report options and ProgressTracker. Now there's a few options here that we can set up, but I'm just going to show you a basic one to begin with. We've got display options, automatic, subject results, and I can pick a subject area, and I'll just pick English. And I'm just going to choose the Create Report option. This will show you the basic layout of the ProgressTracker report. So basically it's sorted all of our students into their A, B, C, D, and if there were E results. And horizontally it's sorted them by their trend since the last reporting period. So these students here have gone up, these have gone down, these have gone up, these have gone down, and so on. So that's a E&G achievement by trend. I can print PDF, email that, and that's the basic report option that you can do. So just looking at that one more time, when we choose subject results and we pick a subject area, we can also pick the Create PDF bundle. If you do that, it will actually save one report per class in the subject area that you've chosen. So it's a PDF bundling tool for the new ProgressTracker report. Okay, the other option we've got here is to create your own report. So I'll choose that here, create your own report. That's going to take us to a specially designed list view called the ProgressTracker list view. And that's the other way you can get to this, is picking a list and choosing the list view there. Okay, once that's done, what this is asking you to do is choosing the primary measurement. So that's the one it's going to rank by, and then it'll choose the secondary measurement, which is the one it's going to sort horizontally by. So I'm looking at my Year 12 cohort, and I'm going to do first a QCE band by coach. So I'll scroll over here. There's a column called QCE band. I'm going to choose that. That's my primary value. And now we're looking for the value to sort the rows. And I'm going to choose my coach field. Okay, I've chosen both of my fields here. Now I click the Make Chart option. Again, I can pick automatic or 10 across, 15 across, 20 across if I want. So that'll now build my chart based on those selections. So these are my QCE points above 25 and each of their coaches. This is the 20 to 24 band, 18 to 19 band, and 0 to 17 band. In this case, I might not be interested in the 25 plus, so I can hide this value and it'll just show the remaining bands, which I might print PDF or email from there. We can also reverse the colors, the orders. There's a whole bunch of options there that are available. Okay, so we'll close out of that report. We'll do just a quick example. When we scroll over here, we've actually got subject selection tools and tracking template selection tools. So you can look at historic information from subjects and from tracking templates as well, and include that with these other columns that we've set up. So we're going to do an English example here. English for Year 12 and Term 4. And I won't actually run this one, but I could maybe choose to rank this report by their LOA values, and maybe the secondary option that we could choose by that could be the trend since their last reporting period. So it shows those who have gone up and gone down, just as an example there. Okay, to do some more examples, I'm going to jump to my homepage and pull up my Year 6 cohort. We have a few more students in this cohort, so 102, and we're going to do a couple more examples. So this time I'm going to get to it through the list view, list, ProgressTracker, and that will bring up this specially designed list view for this purpose. Okay, so we're going to do an A to E by NAPLAN band report. So in this case, we'll pick a subject area that's relevant for Year 6. We'll choose E&G, Year 6, and Semester 2. It's important to note here you can actually do historic subjects here as well, and that gives you that effort and behaviour historically, which you can't do anywhere else in TrackEd. Okay, so we're doing an A to E by NAPLAN band. So we're going to do their achievement score in English, and we're going to do their reading band as the secondary value, and we'll make chart for that. Okay, that's going to build our chart. So we're ranked here by the A's, B's, C's, and D's, And you can see across here we've got the band 6s, band 7s and band 8s, and so on down the page. So that's just another use for it. I'll do 2 more quick examples. So Naplan band by Pat. So I'm going to pick over here Pat M and the Pat M test. And I'm going to do a numeracy band by the Stay9 in the Pat test. And we'll make the chart there. So at the top of this chart I have my band 8s, 7s, 6s, and then across the page we've got the Pat M Stay9s that are available for those. Okay, and final example, achievement passes by their effort score. So we have a column here called achievement passes. We'll make that primary, and their effort score. So we'll pull that up and we'll make the chart here as well. Okay, final example just loading now. Okay, so these are passes in 12 subjects, 11 subjects, 10, 9, 8, and 7 and 6. And you can see from the colour coding here, we have lower efforts at this end of the scale. So lots of different uses for this Progress Tracker report. It's basically a data wall on demand type thing. You can rank by anything and sort that by anything and generate reports really, really quickly using this. Hope that's fun.